How to open the Claude Code project in specific folder on Mac. So I will show you the app and also the terminal version. In the app, if you are in Claude Code, make sure you are in Claude Code section. If you want to change the folder when you want to or where you want to operate your project, here is the folder. As you can see, I'm right now in my folder which is named edits. If you want to change it, you can simply click here, open folder, or I got here some recent one. So open folder and select the folder which you want. So for example, this one, and click open. And this folder was changed, as you can see. So the working directory is now in this file or this folder. If you want to change directory in your terminal, run the Claude, so type here Claude to run it. And now we want to just type cd, like change directory, and the position of the folder. So for example, I got these folders on my desktop, so we need to change directory to this location. So it's on desktop, so I'm gonna type here desktop / and the name of that file or folder, edits. And if I press enter, now it says it's in this directory. So if I run something or if I create something, it's gonna operate only in this folder. You can always change the directory folder. You have to just type it here and select here the location of that folder. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.